Temperature, 35 degrees.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Tribute to the Dark Knight.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Parang nating haven. Parang nating haven.
Maniac!
Wiped out.
Temperature, 37 degrees.
Hey everyone, welcome to Tempest Zone. Today, we'll show you how to see your phone's temperature live. No root, no developer options, just one simple app.
Nice.
Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store on your phone. Second, search for temperature monitor.
That I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
Scroll down until you find the thermal monitor app. Tap on it, then hit install.
I'm so late, you sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact.
Once it's downloaded, open the app and enable notification access.
Like you, I can't wait, a first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. loosen. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man.
I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I just gotta get through, gotta get through.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human.
Thank you for watching,
Temperature,
and I'll see you
35
around.
degrees. Temperature, 37
Parang
degrees.
nating hapon.
Temperature, 38 degrees.